Hey guys, welcome to the BdThemes widget tutorial. Today we'll talk about the Ruby widget brought to you by the Pixel Gallery add-on for Elementor. Ruby is another attractive gallery layout for WordPress that offers a refreshing hover background effect. The hover background pops out from the behind of the image with the image title, description, and read more button. The arrangement resembles cards and interacts better with the users due to how it's made. The front end already looks daunting. Let me show you the backend customizations of the Ruby Gallery widget. The widget is already dropped inside the editor. On top, the first field lets you customize the number of grid template columns to determine the width of the displayed items. Drag the row gap scroll bar to adjust the horizontal spacing between the items and use the column gap option to adjust the vertical spacing. Then you have an item height adjustment right below, a switcher for turning the gallery into masonry, and two more switches to show or hide the title and meta from the gallery. Then you can change the content alignment or use the image size option to change the dimension of all images inside the gallery. Now click on the link option and select media file as well as set the link target to only button. Only then the read more button will appear on the hover screen. Next, the item section is where all the available gallery items are listed and ready for further customization. You can simply add more static items by clicking the Add Item button. Now click on the first item box and then click on the image field and choose your first gallery image. Then from the title field, change the name of the gallery item and then change the meta text right below. You can still change the read more button text or add a custom URL for individual items. Following the sequence, finish customizing all the remaining items as you please. When you hover, the default hover animation is active and you can do further customizations to it. For that, let's switch to the Style tab first and change the background color for the item section. Here, changing the background color directly changes the color of the hover screen. Next, the title and meta text look okay with the current settings, so we're skipping them here. You can customize them anyway. The read more button looks too dark on the hover screen in its normal color. Let's change that by applying a light purple shade on the button background with white text and reversing the color order for hover mode. Now check the gallery and you will see how promising it looks. That's how you can easily customize the Ruby Gallery widget to make yourself a nice looking picture gallery in WordPress. Thanks for watching this tutorial video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel to get updates about new upcoming tutorial videos. Stay safe and see you next time.